Okay, I'm in the bathroom. It's got two hooks for your towel or your robe that they give you. Then there's a shelf to put your stuff on. This is mine. You know, standard bathroom verbiage. You keep the towels hanging, you want them, you put them on the floor, you want new ones. Sink. Awesomely big shower. This thing here, the handle. You turn this for the temperature, then you pull it out, and then that shower turns on. This one, if you flip it up, then you have the, what do they call that, waterfall thing? There's no handheld device for the shower. And then I guess you can just sit back there and relax. I don't know. You can hang it up on that rack. Here are the closets, or the closet. The lights for the room. This is the do not disturb button. The room has already been made, of course. We didn't see a light in the closet. There's no light in the closet. So this is the closet. Here's the iron and the ironing board. And in Colorado, they don't have plastic, at least not for water bottles. At least we didn't see any. So it's all in a metal container. But here's the desk. Here's the mirror to see how you look when you leave. The bed, chair. This is the little side for water they give you here at the Lodge at Flying Horse in Colorado Springs. 2 bottles of water a day, coffee, or actually I think this is espresso. And then here's a little logo. You open this. Here's the refrigerator. We just came back from a restaurant called Cheddar's. So that's my leftovers. Putting that back in. Closing that up. So again, here's a chair. Nightstand. Lovely picture. King size bed. The dresser. All these drawers pull out. Well, I think they all pull out. Okay. Maybe I lied on this one. Let me delete that. Oh, this one opens up. Soft close. I love it. TV set. Couch or a settee. I don't know. Another nightstand. And this door must be to an adjoining room, I'm guessing. This is an extremely large room. I'm standing in the corner. It's large. And then there's a balcony with a couple of chairs. We're on what they call the Tuscan side of this establishment. The other side is more modern. So, but the room overall, if I had to come back here, I might stay here again. If I found someplace cheaper, I'd go someplace cheaper. But I would do this again. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice.